Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today we're exploring the Filterable Card Block, a dynamic tool to showcase portfolios, products, or categories with interactive filters on your WordPress site. Let's create one now. First, go to the section where you want your filterable cards. Click the plus icon, search for Filterable Card, and insert the aBlocks Filterable Card Block. There it is, the Filterable Card Block is added. Next, we'll customize it. Let's keep going. Let's customize our Filterable Card Block. In the General tab, start with Load More button. It's off, so I'll keep it off since we'll show all cards at once. Now, under Filterable Cards, toggle Enable Filter. I'll turn it on to let users filter cards by category. Next, set Items to Show, but I'll set it to 15 for a compact display. Then, choose Columns. It's on 3 columns, which is perfect for a balanced grid, so I'll leave it. Grid Style is set to Grid. I'll keep it for a clean layout. For Layout, it's on Filter, which shows the filter options above the cards. I'll keep it. Items Height is 0, meaning it auto-adjusts, so I'll leave it. Set Item Gap for spacing between cards. Finally, set Animation to zoom in for a sleek effect, and adjust Animation Duration for a faster transition. Let's style the filter buttons. In the Filter Style section, go to the Content tab first. Set the alignment to center so the filter buttons are nicely centered above the cards. Then, adjust the gap to space out the filter buttons evenly. Now switch to the Style tab. Set typography to default for a clean font style. You can customize it if needed. On the color are set color for typography and background color. Next, set the border style and keep the width on all sides for a clean outline. Finally, set border radius on all sides for rounded corners, giving the filter buttons a modern look. Head over to the Filter Active Class section. Here, you can adjust typography color, background color, and more. Choose a border style, then define the width and border radius for a polished look. Switch to the Filterable Controls area. The first item is the All label, which shows all cards when clicked. It's set to All by default. Below that, you'll see the filter items. To add more items, click Add Item. You can delete or reorder items using the icons on the right. You can also rename the items as per you need. Let's add and customize filter items. Select a filter item. Click Add Item to create a card under it. In the General tab, set the control name to link it and click Add Item, again to add more cards. Now, select a card under Design, go to the Icon section, and upload an icon. Fix the image size to and width for consistency. Move to the Heading section, set the heading text to match the card. Set the HTML tag for structure. Then rearrange the description and fix the font size for perfect readability. Repeat this for all filterable items. Finally, click the Save button to apply all your changes. This way, your filterable card block will be ready to shine. And that's it. Your aBlocks Filterable Card Block looks amazing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your ideas in the comments. Check out more aBlocks tutorials linked below to keep building awesome features. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.